Alright everybody, we're back. Tony's Hobby Channel. Another installment. Let's see what we got. Just a little bit of adjustment needed for it to be able to just completely idle without me feathering it. So I'm having to give it a little bit of juice. I've put a couple extra springs on right off the throttle just to help it return the way I want it to. But the idle should be just about right there, 700-800 RPM. Alright everybody, so it's got a little bit of work left on it, but she's running. She's a runner. So basically we replaced the sending unit, we replaced the carburetor, and what else? There was one little airline, little fuel line hose vent tube that was kind of corroded. I replaced that. So really just a few items, nothing too major. But yeah, I'm just having to just barely dance on it just a little bit. See, if I take my foot completely off, it'll die. So it's almost there. Everybody. All right. So this is Tony's Hobby Channel signing out. Really appreciate everybody spending their time here, following along, commenting down below, all that fun stuff. Yeah. Okay. So queso. So basically I added a few springs down here on the bottom. You can see I got some going either way to help with the throttle, to try to help it idle a little better. I'm gonna keep playing with those, adjust those a little bit more, maybe take one off, put one on, something. We'll see here. Other than that, she's basically running. I really want to go drive it. I really do. I really do. So, big shout out to Hazel-Eyed Finds. You guys go check out her channel. Really awesome. She's got an eBay channel too. Who else? Oh, I saw a video the other day, or yesterday. Bill 457. Go check him out. It's pretty cool. Good collection. I approve that message. Kevin Talbot. He's got RC stuff. Good dude. Go check him out. And he helps to, if you want to like sell stuff, do eBay and all that stuff. He's got a program too. Check him out. Think Media. Check them out. Willie, the Coin Viking Hunter, something or other. Check him out. He's cool. Coins and Currency, go check them out, they're cool. South Main Auto, if you're like me and you're working on cars, you're looking for car stuff, so check out South Main Auto, cool stuff. Also Eric the car guy, really good dude, very professional, like that dude. There's a couple other guys, other automotive shops I can't think of right now, but everybody knows Gas Monkey Garage, everybody loves that one, so big shout out to them, go check them out. And every other cool little shop out there, go check them out. Go support your local shop, local mom and pop shop, you know. Yeah, something or other like that. Alright, so adios. Peace, everybody. Where there's a will, there's a way. This baby can run. I know she can. And then you know it, I gotta pay more money, get it registered, and then all that fun stuff. Insured, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. But I could give it a little test drive around the block. Shh, our little secret. Okay, peace, I'm out.